Institute of Management and Technology is situated at Banthra, Lucknow on the main Lucknow-Kanpur highway NH25 with a vision ज्ञान के लिए प्रवेश, विकास के लिए प्रस्थान. The atmosphere is conducive to a calm and peaceful academic pursuit. Situated over a sprawling 7-acre campus with lush lawns, large numbers of playground, lovely landscape, aesthetic architecture and avant-garde infrastructure. The college epitomizes an exemplary setting for higher learning. Transport is available 24 hours for the college. Apart from this, there is efficient, punctual bus service for students, faculty members and staff members to and from the college, connecting the various stations of the passengers. MGIMT started with BTech since 2010, with the Polytechnic being added to smooth, efficient education plan of MGIMT in 2013. Both of them are fully involved in turning out affable and able candidates to cope with new job opportunities and future career-oriented projects offered by both the government and private job sectors. MGIMT is a premier institute of engineering. Dear student, after passing the intermediate from science side, students are confused to select the career option. I am sure you are hardworking. Do you like solving problem? Are you creative? Do you like helping people and making their life better? If answer is yes, then you are a perfect candidate to become an engineer. We will give you variety of options. You can choose any one of these. This will give you bright future, good salary and comfortable